Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar index for Thursday, November the 5th. Well, a small-bodied red candle today, and that's telling us that the sellers have made much less bearish progress on the day today compared to the previous day, and that raises some doubt about the continuation of the market in this first time frame downtrend. The market is still in that first time frame downtrend, obviously with the lower high and lower low. But also in bar chart terms, we've had a very strong contraction of the range. That's the distance between the high and the low. So the range has contracted, and that's telling us that the sellers are not as eager as they were previously. Also, today's close is only just below the previous close, which is telling us that the sellers aren't very keen, and the market has closed at the midpoint level, which means that neither the buyers nor sellers were in the ascendancy when the market closed. Neither have taken control, and the sellers have actually lost control of this market. So there is potential for a reversal of the trend to the upside. Now, having said that, though, we need to keep an eye on the high of the current candle for a potential higher high and higher low. But we must remember that we are in a first time frame downtrend. The trend is down, and we should assume that the trend will continue down unless we have evidence otherwise. So the low of the current candle becomes very important for the market to potentially trade down to 75. If the market does trade to the upside, then there's some good resistance around the 76.50 area roughly, and very strong resistance up around the top of the cloud or the Kumo, and this swing high where we saw this major downside sell-off, this major downside projection should provide quite solid resistance for this market if it does trade up to there. So not a bullish candle, but certainly not a bearish candle, not the sort of candle that you'd expect to see at the beginning of a first time frame downtrend. So how the market behaves over the next day or two will become very important.